And then one day she messaged me and she said like, Asma, if you want to pass your like Oprah exam and you are struggling, then you need to like go to Elite Expertise, and they're the best in like best coaching center. And then I googled it, and then I checked all the reviews, and I said, maybe I can try one more time because I lose my hope and everything. I was like, I don't want to do this again, because last time I was like unsuccessful. I like spent money and everything.
Hey everyone, once again I am back with one more success story. My name is Rakesh Khan, and here at Elite Expertise recently we have got our Oprah exam result, and Asma is with me who recently qualified her Oprah exam with Elite Expertise. First of all, I would like to congratulate Asma for passing your Oprah exam in the first attempt. So how's your feelings right now?
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rakesh. And thank you, Elite Expertise, for having me here. And I'm very, very grateful and very, very happy to pass this Oprah exam finally.
So Asma, can you please introduce yourself from where you belongs to and nowadays what are you doing? What is your educational background?
Okay, so my name is Asma Sami, and I'm from Pakistan, Punjab, Lahore. And I did my PharmD in 2017. And after that, I was working as an industrial pharmacist back in my country. And
Yeah.
I was like working as a industrial manager there. And then I
Okay.
got married, and then I moved to Australia after marriage. And then because my husband used to live here from the last 15 years, that's why I came here
Okay.
in Australia. And then I learned about like Oprah exam. Before that was like CAPS.
Yeah.
And then I started like preparing for my Oprah exam. Yeah.
So from which college you was graduated in your home
Yeah,
country,
yeah, I
Pakistan?
graduated from a well-reputed college back in Lahore. It's Lahore College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So
Okay.
yeah, I
In
graduated
which
from
year?
there.
In which year?
Yeah, I passed my PharmD. It's Doctor of Pharmacy in 2017. Yeah,
17. Okay,
yeah.
that's good. So Asma, please let us know about your Oprah exam preparation journey. So when did you thought that Oprah will be that exam by to pass after passing that exam I can work
Mm-hmm.
as a pharmacist in Australia. So when did you thought of it?
Yeah, yeah. So I came in Australia in 2022 after getting
Okay.
married. So when I came to Australia, I used to like I wanted to be like work as a pharmacist because I used to work there as a pharmacist. So I applied everywhere in industrial pharmacist because I have experience in industrial pharmacist, not in the retail side. So
Yeah.
I applied everywhere, but it was like quite possible because everyone told me about the CAPS exam. So they said you have to pass, you have to first clear the CAPS exam, and then you will be eligible for the like for job anywhere in Australia. Because I knew nothing about Australia and about the CAPS or Opera exam, and then I appeared in my CAPS exam in 2024, but unfortunately I wasn't successful. So after that, in 2026, now I did it again, and thankfully I passed it again. Yeah.
So please tell us about the journey. How did you prepare yourself for this Oprah exam? What was your strategy? How many hours you used to study? So please tell us about your Oprah exam preparation journey.
Okay, as I told you, I already appeared in 2024. I already spent like a lot of money in one of the institution because someone told me like I don't want to say the name of that institution, but yeah, that was coaching center. So I used to prepare from this, but I was unsuccessful at that time. So after 2 years, my friend, my one of the friends, she suggested me allied expertise, and then I contacted them, and then she told me like it's the best institute because she passed. She also passed from the she like from Elite Expertise. And then one day she messaged me and she said like, Asma, if you want to pass your like Oprah exam and you are struggling, then you need to like go to Elite Expertise, and they're the best in like best coaching center. And then I googled it, and then I checked all the reviews, and then I said, maybe I can try one more time because I lose my hope and everything. I was like, I don't want to do this again because last time I was like unsuccessful. I like spent money and everything.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
basically it's an expensive exam. Yeah.
yeah, it's very expensive. Yeah. So that's why then I tried like then I prepared with the elite expertise, and finally I passed my exam
So
in one go.
congratulations to you.
Thank you
It's
so
your
much.
dedication, it's your hard work. Yes, of
Thank
course,
you.
we
Thank
have
you so
provided
much.
you some tools, we have provided you guidance, and you followed them. And just because of your hard work, you are able to crack that Oprah exam.
Yep, of course, of course.
So basically, how did elite expertise help you in preparing your Oprah exam, and how it is different from the previous institute from where you started your preparation? So what
Oh
was the
my God,
difference between the
there is
preparation?
a big difference. There's a big difference. I used to study like AMH and my whole notes and my pharmacology book and everything when I last prepare my exam. But this time, Harika ma'am and Arif sir, they did a like fantastic job. They only told us like not to go anywhere else, not to like read any other books, just focus on the lectures, just focus on what we're reading and we're telling you. And all the I only used to take their lectures like carefully, and I used to make notes and everything, and I only prepared those notes and everything, and that's all, and nothing else, nothing else, not any like books, not any notes, nothing else. I only took their lectures, and then that's all for me.
In that
Yep.
academy, basically they have provided you AMH something, go to this additional tools, something like that. So
Yep.
they told you to prepare from other sources. Matlab, they have not
Other
provided
sources
the
as
exact
well,
tools.
like they used to give us like whole notes, like so many pages of notes and everything. So they used to give us like big lectures and big notes, like you have to prepare this, or you have to prepare
Assignment,
from
something
that,
like that. Yeah.
assignments and something like this. But here it's nothing like that. I only took like 2 hours lectures, and I only like make notes and read all those notes and everything. And before the day of my exam, I only like read those notes and everything, and that's it for me, because I was so scared that time when I like prepared firstly like in 2024, and this time
Yeah.
I was 100% sure I will crack this exam. So
Yes.
yeah. Yep.
That is the difference basically. Elite expertise has made some curriculum like that, and we are
Of
giving
course.
spoon feeding to we correction. We are giving spoon feeding to the candidates so that they can learn every concept which is required for the Oprah exam preparation. And you know, we only give that matter which is really important for the exam. We don't push number of things because pharmacy is so huge, and
Yep.
we can't prepare it entirely, you know. And every day there is some new drug in market, and every day some new disease in market. So you must know the culture, what APC is asking for. So that is the
Of
thing
course.
which elite expertise is providing to their candidates. Because of that, they are getting the huge number of results and huge number of success in their open exam preparation course. So
Yep.
basically it's a hard work of RS and Harikama, because they are working pharmacists over there. They know the things how it works in Australia. So they used to implement their knowledge so that candidates, our students, may learn number of things from their experience as well.
100%. 100%. I'm completely agree. So that's
So
the
so
first thing I noticed. Like they both are working as a clinical pharmacist here, so
yeah,
they know everything, each and everything, what basically Australia need, and what a pharmacist like should learn. So they know everything, and their syllabus is very concise and very
yeah,
precise, and like you just have to focus on those things, and that like your 5 year study, they managed to do it like in just 3 months. Like you only have to
yeah.
study for 3 months. And because I used to hate like toxicology and pharmacology and stuff like this, like all the contraindications and stuff like this, it was very hard for me to remember, and it was very hard for
Antimicrobials,
me.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it was very hard for me like to learn all the drugs names and everything. But this time I was like so amazed with everything, like with the syllabus and with everything, like Harika ma'am and Arif sir, like they both are like amazing, amazing. I just love them. I just love them.
Thank you. Every student love them. Every student love them.
Yeah.
So Asma, if I go to that day when you are facing the real exam at the Pearson Professional Center, and can I have that moment? What was your schedule? What correction? What was your schedule on the day of real exam? So when did you wake up? And what was the first question on your screen? Can you please reframe that day of your real Oprah exam day?
Yeah. So my exam center was in Melbourne, so I went there. I was like 100% sure about my like preparations and everything. So when I sit there, I was like, Bismillah, Bismillah, hope everything will be fine. And then when I got the paper, and it was like first half of the questions was like so easy. I used to do mock tests and everything from the elite expertise and everything, ma'am. Harika ma'am and Arif sir used to like give us like all the MCQs in last 3 weeks, and it was like so easy paper. I just click it and run. I just click it and run. Like it was so easy for me, and I was like 80%. After giving my exam, I was like 80% like I will pass my exam. I will pass. I will pass for sure, 100%. And in the examination center, I was like, oh my god, you guys are the best. And I was literally saying that after looking all the MCQs, I was like, oh my god, you guys are the best. I know this. I already know this. I read about this. I read about this. I was like so. It was like so good at that time, and I was like 100%. I told my husband I will clear this exam this time because it was so easy for me. I was so happy. After coming out of the examination center, I was so happy. So that was the best moment for me. So yeah, and
And
after that, I
yeah,
was anxiously waiting for my exam result. I was like, this time I will pass for
so
sure.
basically you are very confident at the time of
Yeah,
the real
yep,
exam
yep,
just
yep,
because of
yep.
you have done a really good
Of
practice.
course,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course, of
So
course.
on the day of result, because 3 to 4 days before when you got your result, so how did you celebrated that moment? To whom you shared your result for the first time, and can you please share that
Yeah,
moment also?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, of course. Oh my God. In the morning, I was like, I was anxiously waiting for my result and I was like sleepless and everything. And then when I got my result, I was like crying, literally crying. I was like, oh my God, I'm past this time. And then I called my husband because he was on job. And then I called him and I was like, oh, but I failed my exam. And he said, nah, nah, you will pass. Nah, nah, you'll pass. I know you'll pass. Then yeah, it was very, very great moment. Yeah, because my whole family is in like Pakistan. So, and they were like, oh, Asma, because they used to push me
Yeah.
all the time. Asma, you will do it. And I completely lose my hope when I was failed last time. I was like,
Yeah.
maybe I think this exam is like so very tough. I will never do it.
Yes.
I will never do it. But it's like a dream for me, because I
Yes.
am already working as a pharmacy assistant in chemist warehouse, and
Okay.
whenever
So
I look at the pharmacists over there working, then I was like, they're like me, Asma, you will do it.
yes.
And it was like
Yes.
my motivation. They were like my motivation, like to me, like I will do it. I will do it. And like, yeah, that's the best thing for me. And I'm literally so much happy only because of the allied expertise. Only because
That's
of that.
great. So
Yeah.
now you can give your answer in your mother tongue, whatever be the language you want to give your answer.
Hmm.
It's up to you.
Hmm.
Few
Okay.
things about Arif sir and Harika ma'am.
Okay. So like दे बोथ आर लाइक रियली रियली गुड. मैं आपको बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ, मैंने ऐसे टीचर्स अपने कभी भी नहीं, कहीं पे भी नहीं देखे. मैं आपको लिटरली बता रही हूँ, ये नहीं है कि मैं आप यानी कि मैं सच्ची बता रही हूँ. और जब मुझे मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे रिकमेंड किया, उन्होंने मुझे यही कहा कहते हैं इसमें ये बेस्ट टीचर्स हैं. जब आप क्योंकि हम दोनों डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि हमने ओपरा क्लियर करना है, तो जब उसने मुझे अपना रिजल्ट दिखाया, उसने कहा मैं तो क्लियर कर चुकी हूँ. मैंने कहा तुमने कहाँ से किया? उसने मुझे कहा कि यार ये बेस्ट टीचर्स हैं, तुम्हें ऐसे टीचर्स कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेंगे, आप यहाँ से प्रिपरेशन करो. और वाकई जब मैंने उनका फर्स्ट लेक्चर लिया, मुझे तभी पता चल गया कि भाई दे आर द बेस्ट टीचर्स, दे आर द
Yeah.
बेस्ट टीचर्स. उनके पास इतना नॉलेज है, माशाल्लाह, मैं कहती हूँ इतना नॉलेज है कि आप कभी भी आप मैं कहती हूँ फेल हो ही नहीं सकते. और जब जब आप उनसे बात करो, जब जब आप उनसे कुछ भी पूछो, वो ऐसा आपको जवाब देते हैं कि आपको अभी तक मुझे उनके सारे लेक्चर्स याद हैं. जैसे वो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, द वे दे आर टीचिंग, वो जिस तरह ये मिसालें देते हैं, जबरदस्त। मैंने ऐसे टीचर्स नहीं देखे कहीं पे भी।
मीन्स आपकी
दे आर फुल ऑफ नॉलेज।
आपकी जो एकेडमिक जर्नी जो आपने 6 साल में अपने पाकिस्तान में कंप्लीट की, 5 साल या 6 साल में कंप्लीट की, वो उन्होंने 3 महीने में आपको पढ़ा के जो है वो
जबरदस्त।
ऑस्ट्रेलियन स्टैंडर्ड का फार्मासिस्ट बना रहे हैं अब आपको वो। तो
जबरदस्त।
ये एक
ऐसे ही
बहुत
है।
बड़ी बात है।
हाँ
सो
जी।
असमा, फ्यू थिंग्स फॉर द फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स जो ओपरा एग्जाम देने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं और हेजिटेट कर रहे हैं कि इट्स डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम, इट्स नॉट दैट मच इजी, आपको कंसेप्ट्स आपके क्लियर होने चाहिए। तो ऐसे
हम्म।
फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए या जो भी कैंडिडेट्स अभी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनके लिए कुछ ट्रिप्स, कुछ करेक्शन, उनके लिए आप कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे सो दैट कि दे कैन प्रिपेयर इन ए मच बेटर वे? कोई ऐसा लास्ट टाइम की स्ट्रेटजी कि उन्हें लास्ट डेज में ऐसे करना है, इनिशियल डेज में कंसेप्ट बिल्ड करने हैं, कोई ऐसा प्लान? बिकॉज आपके पास डबल एक्सपीरियंस है, आपने कैप्स एग्जाम
हम्म।
दिया, आप उस टाइम नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज ऑफ सम
हम्म।
लिमिटेशंस और कुछ भी था जो आपके पास इतना टेक्निकल टूल नहीं था। तो बट अब
हम्म।
आपने पास किया है तो यू आर हैविंग ए एक्सटेंसिव एक्सपीरियंस विद यू। तो आप कैसे गाइड करें कि बच्चा इसको पहले ही एग्जाम में क्रैक कर सके? और कुछ बताएं इस बारे में सो दैट कि पीपल विल कम टू नो, दे पीपल विल फील मोटिवेट आफ्टर वाचिंग योर इंटरव्यू।
ओके, मैं बस यही कहूंगी कि जितना भी मैम आरिफ सर और मैम हरिका आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, आपने सिर्फ उसी पे फोकस करना है। आपने कहीं से भी नोट्स नहीं लेने। आपको बहुत सारे, आपने ग्रुप्स ज्वाइन किए होंगे, आपने फेसबुक पे भी बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स ज्वाइन किए होंगे, लेकिन आपने उनके किसी भी मटेरियल पे फोकस नहीं करना। ठीक है, आपने कुछ गूगल नहीं करना, चैट जीपीटी से हेल्प नहीं लेनी। जो वो दोनों पढ़ा रहे हैं आपने सिर्फ उन पे फोकस करना है। ठीक है, वो आपके लिए मोर देन इनफ है। ठीक है, आपने सिर्फ उनके जो लेक्चर्स हैं वो आप अच्छे से करें। आप चाहे नोट्स बनाएं, जो आप करना है आप करें, एमसीक्यूज इनके करें, आप मॉक टेस्ट करें, और यू विल बी पास। यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट। And Elite Expertise is the best academy in the whole world and in Australia.
थैंक यू सो मच,
Yeah, I can
थैंक
say
यू।
that. Yeah.
सो लास्ट डेज में, लास्ट 20 डेज में क्या करना चाहिए? मींस जो कैंडिडेट्स अभी नवंबर 2026 में अपीयर होने जा रहे हैं, कोई ऐसी एडवाइस सो दैट दे कैन प्रिपेयर इन ए मच बेटर वे? लास्ट 20 डेज की टिप्स आप प्लीज कैंडिडेट्स को जरूर दें।
लास्ट 20 डेज में जो सेशन होता है, फुल डे सेशन, मैम हरिका और सर आरिफ का, आप चाहे अगर आपको छुट्टी लेनी पड़े जॉब से, आप छुट्टी लें। ठीक है, और आप अगर नहीं भी लेते तो कोई मसला नहीं, लेकिन जो वो पढ़ा रहे हैं आपने सिर्फ उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करना है। और उसके अलावा आप मॉक टेस्ट करें, एंड दैट्स इट। उसके अलावा आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैं 100% श्योरिटी के साथ कह रही हूँ, उसके अलावा आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप सिर्फ उस चीज़ पे फोकस करें, एंड मॉक टेस्ट, डू मॉक टेस्ट एज मच एज यू कैन, एंड देन यू विल बी पास 100%।
कंसेप्ट्स वाला जो पार्ट है आप इनिशियल डेज में इसको क्लियर कर लीजिए। लास्ट के जो 20 डेज हैं आप छुट्टी लेके 100% लेक्चर्स तक ही स्टिक रहें और उनको ही जो है
जी।
लेक्चर्स को ही लाइव अटेंड
हाँ जी,
करें।
आप सिर्फ
ऐसा-
लेक्चर्स, हाँ जी, आप सिर्फ लाइव लेक्चर्स, अगर आपने लाइव नहीं भी ले सकते आप उनको रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स लें, बट यू कैन डू इट लाइक, आप उसको अच्छे तरीके से करें, और मॉक टेस्ट जितना हो सकता है आप वो करें, एंड यू विल बी पास।
So Asma, thank you for the tips for the future experience. So any message for the backhand team, admin team or technical team, or any suggestions for them?
I think technical team and every whole Elite Expertise, like they are very fast in responding. Anytime you can message them, they are ready to answer you. So they are really, really good. I think the whole team are amazing. So I don't think so. I don't have any suggestion for them because they are already like 100%. Because
thank you.
anytime you message them, they will give you like response like within a second. So
Yeah.
So they are really
because
good.
we have students around the world and there are different time
Of course.
zones. So 24 hours our admin team and technical team is working to resolve the issues which our candidates are facing. So
Of
any
course.
final message to sir, ma'am or team Elite Expertise or future candidates?
मैं बस यही कहूंगी कि जो ये काम कर रहे हैं ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त कर रहे हैं, और जितने भी जो भी हमारे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इतना यानी कि फेस कर रहे हैं, इतनी डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस करते हैं, जो नहीं, जिनकी जो होप लूज़ कर रहे हैं कि भाई हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, बट दे आर द बेस्ट। ये उनको वाकई ही कहते हैं कि भाई इतनी मोटिवेशन और इतनी इंकरेजमेंट देते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को कि आप अपना आप कर सकते हैं, यू विल डू इट। बिकॉज इफ एनी लाइक कोई भी अगर उनको कहते थे कि भाई हम लोग टाइम बहुत कम है, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ये इतनी मोटिवेशन देते हैं कि आपको अपने आप पे यकीन आना शुरू हो जाता है कि वाकई आप कर सकते हो। So
You
they
can
are
do it.
doing
Yeah.
amazing work, amazing work. So they are really, really good. They're really, really good in what they are doing.
Thank
So
you.
yeah,
Thank you
I
so
just love
much.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
your
much.
kind
Thank
words.
you. Thank
So
you.
this was Asma Samin, who recently qualified her Oprah exam with elite expertise. If you want to see more success stories like that, please hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. I will be back
Thank you
again
so
with
much.
more and more success stories. This is Rakesh Khan signing off. And Asma, thank you so much.